The FitAir. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the FitAir Personal Air Purifier, a compact air purifier that you can take with you. You can use it at work, on an airplane, in your car, or as you walk around. The company sent this out for me to review. I have the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The FitAir comes with a user guide, 2 HEPA air filters, which one comes installed already, a micro USB to USB charging cable, and the wearable accessory seat, which you can strap onto your arm as an option. This can be used in many scenarios as mentioned. It covers up to 25 square feet of personal space at a rate of 3 times per hour. It has grade H13 HEPA filter that can protect you from pollen, odors, viruses, smoke, and many more contaminants. The unit is small and compact. On the side, you have the port for charging. You also have the air gate control to control the airflow. And the power button, along with the speed settings, low, medium, high, and a long press to turn it off. This can also be controlled via an app, which we'll go over shortly. It separates into 2 modules. One is the control module, and the other is the cleaning module. When separated, it can be connected to the wearable accessory. Access to the filter housing is simple. Just twist the top off and remove it, and you will have access to the HEPA filter. It's less than 3 inches all around and a height of just 2.5 inches. The wearable accessory can be used as well. You can strap it on your arm, a stroller, or a bag, as some examples. Just line up the modules and lock it into place. You can buy additional filters as well as a hose and a mask accessory that you can hook up. Battery life can last anywhere from 3 to 6 hours depending on the speed. The LED indicators will indicate the status. An app is available to control the FitAir. You can download the AirDog Pro app. Once downloaded, create an account. Click the Add Device and choose FitAir. Select FitAir on the next screen as well and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once paired, you will see it on the main dashboard. Click the FitAir device, and on the top you have a variety of control options. You can change the name, delete the device, reset the filter measurement, and monitor your battery levels. In the middle, it will display the filtered air measurements. In this case, it's fairly new, so it's still not collecting data. And on the bottom, you have your on and off switch, along with adjusting the wind speed from low, medium, and high. The FitAir, a unique personal air filter that has many applications. After using it for a few days, I did notice a difference in the surrounding air. I'm impressed with this little device. When it's on, you can hear the system, but it's more of a white noise. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but if you are in need of a personal air filter, this may be a good option. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.